There is a test tomorrow.
Max, have you studied for your test? Yes. I will study later. On the day of the test,
You may begin now.
oh no, so hard. How to answer? Should I cheat?
Yes, you should.
No, you should not.
Yes, I must have integrity.